Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to board slide on transition. So for this trick you need to be comfortable rolling around, and also you need to know how to do a rock to fakie. So for the board slide you have to kind of go up on a carving angle and poke your board over the coping. Once you get your board stick to the coping, you have to stiffen both legs and hold out your arms open to have a good balance. You want to make sure you are going to stay on the coping, so you have to keep your legs stiffen as long as you slide. And then when you feel, you slow down and your momentum is going to change, prepare to come in. To come in, you have to put a slight pressure on your tail, lean back to the ramp and lift up your front truck so it clears the coping. After your front truck clears the coping, put down your front wheels and shift your balance over to the center of your board and roll away in fakie. As with any tricks, if you go faster you will slide longer, so keep practicing and enjoy your board slide longer and longer. I hope guys I help you to get closer to your first board slide on transition. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video and look out for the next trick on Thursday. Now grab your board and go skate and have fun.